Russia's special military operation in Ukraine is entering its 100th day and shows no signs of slowing down. 3 points are worthy of attention. First, the battlefield is edging north. Northeastern Donetsk and western Lugansk are now the key areas. Overall, the Russian army appears to have the upper hand. Still, the Ukrainian military said it would continue to fight. Some analysts believe the conflict has already developed into a long-term fight, the end of which remains unpredictable. Second, disagreements are hard to solve. Peace talks are currently stalled. Russian officials say the ball is in Ukraine's court, but Ukraine insists Russia must withdraw its troops before negotiations resume. Third, the West continues to stir the pot. Western countries, led by the US, have exerted extreme pressure on Russia, while at the same time increasing military aid to Ukraine. The EU has just passed its 6th package of sanctions against Russia, and the US supplying additional weapons to Ukraine, all of which will undoubtedly add fuel to the flame.
The sanctions don't seem well thought through. To restore peace, now if NATO and the US continue to arm Ukraine, well, actually the effect will be to prolong the conflict, not to end it.
The United States is selfish. They have the opportunity, together with their allies, to make sure that the war does not escalate. But why they want the war to escalate? The arms industry in America is one of the biggest beneficiaries. And then, of course, by putting sanctions on Russia, they want to make sure that Russia's economy is battered.
If you look at the Ukraine crisis, the more it's intensified, the more that the military-industrial complex is gaining more money. That's the problem with the US, no? Other countries are affected economically and being devastated with, different problems.